Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be doing some more monster truck races, and we have our champion, Avenger. But yeah, and whoever gets first place will get to race him, and if they beat him, it's the first out of 3 wins. If they beat him, then they are the new champion. But yeah, he was crowned champion in the last monster truck video. If you want to go see that, then yeah, go check it out on my channel. But yeah, let's get on with showing you the monster trucks, unboxing them, and racing. Alright, so, oh, sorry, tripod trouble. Yeah, we have some ones, we do have some new ones, but these are the ones from last time. This guy got pretty far in the competition, and this guy, the final match was, it was him and him, and he came out on top, but just barely. But yeah, so our first race will be these two, and yeah. So here they are, and it is time to show you the next two. Now, here is our new one. We have Maxed. Boom. Yeah, I just saw this guy at Target, and I was like, him, I want to. Got him. Hurt my wallet, but it was worth it. And then we have him up against the Gravedigger. Sorry, again, I don't know names, but yeah, Gravedigger, well, finally, I guess you know names, I don't know. Anyway, getting off track, but yeah, it will be Maxed and Gravedigger. That will be that one, and then we have our 2-pack. Yeah, I think these two ones are so cool. We have Gunkster and Race Ace. This is Race Ace, and this is Gunkster. I think that'll definitely be a good race. I'm excited. And then our last two. I don't know. I just really like his tires. I think they're like coolest thing ever. And then we also have the Taxi. I also really like his towers and just the entire design. I think this is going to be a really cool truck to race. But yeah, let's get on with the unboxing. All right, so we have this guy. Then we have our scissors. No! Boom! Get scissors! Okay. Alright, final! Oh my gosh, come on! Okay, this guy was hard to get out. We finally got him. Man, these are some big tires. Dang. Wow. Alright, on to the next one. Hopefully I can rip out him. Can't wait. Thank you. You're a good boy. Thank you for getting out easily. Now it is time for the 2-pack. This one looks tough. Oh, okay. That's a relief. Come on. Ah. I hate this one. I'm sorry, guys. I know. I'm sorry. Come out! Finally! Man! This will be a good battle. Boom! Now it's time for the best part of the video. The racing. Let's go! Alright, here we are with the racing. First up is these two. Let's go. Wow. Alright. What a surprise. King Crunch won. Wow. I really thought this guy would win, but nope. Yeet. Onto my very, very, very messy bed. Alright. King Crunch won that. Alright. On to the next race. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you guys, he came late. This guy came with a little flag. Oh, adorable. Okay, let's go. Wow, this guy won. Nice. No, why does the fan favorite always get out first? Alright, here are these two guys. Let's move on from that sad subject of our favorite monster, but yeah, we got the cool, I really like both of the tires, him with the checkers and him with the chains, but let's see who wins. Oh! Dang! Look how he landed! Oh, that is sick! Dang! It was close, but the taxi won. I hope I filmed that well. I think I did, but I don't know. I hope. Anyway, I'm gonna put him in the winner's circle. Alright. Here we go. We got Hot Wheels versus... We got Race Ace versus Gunkster. I think he will win, but let's see. I do not know who won that. I'm sorry, guys.
3 days later.
Say, guys, after a long time of review, I have finally found out that Race Ace won. And I know at first glance it really does look like, I know it really does look like Race, like it was a 100% sure tie, but no, he just barely edged out. Like, barely, I tell you. But, yeah, he is, that means Gunkster is unfortunately out. But it is also time for the next run. Alright, so our next two is King Crunch and Maxed. Alright, here we go. Oh my gosh. Another close one. I'm going to say that King Crunch won that. I think. Guys, if you think I am wrong, please tell me in the comments. Again, I'm super sorry about, man, these are getting so close. Man. Anyway, on to the next race. Alright. Here we are. we have our taxi, and we have Race Ace. I don't know why I did that. Let's just get on with it. All right. And another close one. Why? Why do you do this to us? All right, guys. After more review, I'm going to say he won. Again, correct me if I'm wrong. I'm so sorry if I'm wrong. Please forgive me. Please, if I am wrong. But I'm going to have to say Race Ace won that. And yeah, again, I'm so sorry if I'm wrong. Same for the other ones that was super close. But without further ado, it's time for final. Well, not really the finals, because the finals is... Forget it. It's time for the finals. Alright. First to get one win. I'm probably gonna save the 3 wins for that for the finals. But here we go. Whew. Please don't be close. Of course, it's close. I hate this. Alright, I'm gonna call that one a tie. I'm sorry, guys, but let's just try this one more time. What? What? Are you kidding me? Alright, guys, I am completely done with these stupid ties. So, I'm just going to do... Whoever can knock these cars farther will win. So, let's get on with it. Alright, here we go. Ooh, dang. Alright, so for the green, he got him right there. Alright, not bad. And the red right there. Alright, I would say he didn't do bad. Alright, on with King Crunch. Let's see. I have marked how he did, boom, and I replaced that one with the other one, but whatever. Alright, here we go. Let's see, can he do better? Oh! Dang! Oh, no way. Alright, guys, check this out. Both of Race Aces have gone farther. His farther, and then this one further. All right. It appears that Race Ace has won. Of course, not in the normal way, because they just wouldn't stop tying. But either way, he has won. Alright, but now it is time for the finals. I know I called the last one the finals, but the finals. Alright, let's see who will get the victory. Will he remain champion, or will he overtake the king? Or the Avenger, whatever. Now, let's get on with it. First to 3 wins. Alright, here we go. By the way, not 3 races. Not 3 races. 3 wins. It's not who gets the better out of 3 races. It's 3 wins. Anyway, sorry. Alright. I think Race Ace took that. Forgive me if I'm wrong. I'm so sorry if I'm wrong. What? To me, it looked like Race Ace won. So 1-0. All right, it's 1-0. Let's see. Another win for Race Ace, and oh my gosh, here's far back. Dang! Alright, let's see, can he overthrow the king? It's 2-0. Alright, will the Avenger come back, or will he be our new champion? Here we go, on this final race. Race Ace! Race Ace have done it! He is our new champion! Yeet! Onto my very, very messy bed. Race Ace has done it. He is our new champion. No. Oh my gosh. He is the new champion. Race Ace. Wow. That was crazy. Right, guys, that was the video. I'm just going to end the video like how I'm winning because I want to show the monster tricks, but at the same time I want my face to be in the video, so anyway, if you enjoyed this video, please like the video, and please subscribe. It would make me so happy. Please subscribe, and yeah, thank you for watching. Bye guys.